Not only these, Antyodaya has organized a series of public hearings on MGNREGA and right to education, demanding transparency in operation and speedy disposal of wage-related issues. The process of filing RTI application has also resulted in streamlining the payment of wages under MGNREGA in most of the villages. Antyodaya has initiated the Lawyers Collective at the district level, involving senior practicing lawyers of the district headquarters town of Bhawanipatna.
Generally, in holiday and Sunday, we have gone to different village of tribal area where we work, organize different legal awareness camp. The people who have no knowledge regarding law, they are illiterate. By organizing such type of legal literacy program in rural area, we have create some knowledge regarding law. Before our legal awareness program, people all along they depend upon the village ponds.
The poor people of Thongarampur block and Junagadh block are utilizing the Right to Information Act in their day-to-day life to get the benefit of development of different projects of different projects. We are also working for Child Rights Act. We are enlightening the teachers, the students of different schools, different colleges, even in Chatsalis, where other people are not enlightening or teaching the teachers, villagers and students. We are teaching them how to get the maximum benefit about the projects.
There are around 130 volunteers we have created who are from the community members, who are little bit literate, and they can help their people to fill the formats, counsel them regarding their rights in different laws, build their confidence to face the police, to face the revenue officials, and also to fight for their justice. And in the process also there are around 1,100 some odd families. They got the forest right patta in the process of this 1.5 year. We started those centers during December 2009. So far, the people are now conversant with Right to Information Act, Right to Education Act, and even Forest Right Act. What are the land laws? They know the simple things available for them in that area.
The organization has been in the forefront of legal literacy and forming school-level legal awareness clubs to educate school students regarding various acts and policies, which in turn will serve the objectives of sensitizing their parents. Village volunteers are trained on land rights and laws, Forest Rights Act, RTI Act, Panchayati Raj Act, and PESA and labor laws. And they are making the community people aware about the different laws and entitlements. The volunteers trained by Antyodaya on the issues and laws relating to RTI, land rights and forest land rights are acting as paralegal volunteers in the target area. They are mainly the local youth from the community, educated moderately and having passion to work for their community, including some PRI representatives, teachers and community leaders. The District Legal Service Authority or DLSA in Kalahandi collaborates with Antodaya to organize legal literacy and awareness camps where the judicial magistrates, including the district and sessions judge, attend and deliberate with the people. The DLSA accepts the grievances from the villagers during these camps and enroll them as cases for the Lok Adalats, besides serving notices to the government officials who are responsible for the injustice to the poor tribals. The DLSA has also recognized 8 Antodaya functionaries and volunteers as paralegal volunteers and trained them to operate as per the guidelines of the National Legal Services Authority. DLSA also uses the IEC materials developed by Antodaya for training the paralegal volunteers.
In the district of Kalahandi, District Legal Service Authority has been working in order to give free legal aid to the poor, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women and those persons whose income is within 1 lakh. Generally, we move to interior in order to establish, in order to organize legal literacy clubs and mostly the NGO Antodaya assist us and also cooperate to make organization and make success most of the time at various states. We also identified 8 numbers of volunteers from the Antodaya and they have already trained. They have already been trained with respect to various laws like matrimonial laws, revenue laws, labor laws, domestic violence act, maintenance laws, procedure of arrest and various laws, and those who have already been undergone training and they have also working in the root level. They are helping the poor, needy persons and also learn them, train them, educate them how to get justice.
As Antodaya is committed to deliver legal aid services through community participation, and a series of its interventions and initiatives have been yielding results through this empowerment process in grassroots level, with the most marginal and vulnerable section of society receiving justice. Access to justice has been a reality for the marginalized people in parts of Kalahandi.